Welcome back to my channel. 2025 is shaping up to be the year of AI, and I'm not just talking about self-driving cars. We're diving deep into 9 different tools that can help you with everything from writing killer content to creating stunning artwork. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use them. We'll break down each tool, show you how it works, and most importantly, how it can benefit you. Plus, we'll drop some links in the description so you can try them out for yourself. So stick around, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get into it. First up, we've got Google AI Studio. This is like the playground for anyone who wants to dip their toes into the world of AI. You can experiment with different algorithms, build your own machine learning models, and get a feel for the power of AI without needing a PhD. Google AI Studio has a ton of resources and tutorials to get you started. Next up is Bolt AI, and this one is all about boosting your productivity. Imagine having an AI assistant that can handle those tedious, repetitive tasks that eat up your day. It integrates seamlessly with your favorite productivity tools, like email and spreadsheets, and automates tasks like writing emails, scheduling meetings, and analyzing data. Bolt AI is like having a super efficient assistant working behind the scenes, making sure you stay on top of your game. Now, let's talk about writing. Writer's block can be a real productivity killer, but Gravity Write is here to the rescue. This AI-powered writing assistant is packed with over 250 templates to help you generate high-quality content in a flash. Just tell Gravity Write what you want to write about, and it'll whip up a draft for you. Plus, Gravity Write has a generous free tier, so you can start using it right away. Okay, let's get creative for a second. Have you ever wished you could bring your artistic visions to life, even if you can't draw? Well, that's where Leonardo AI comes in. This incredible tool lets you create stunning artwork and character designs using the power of AI. Leonardo AI puts the power of creativity at your fingertips. Speaking of image generation, let's talk about Playground AI. This free tool is like having a bottomless well of visual inspiration. You can generate all sorts of images, from photorealistic landscapes to abstract art, all with the help of AI. It's a great way to experiment with different aesthetics, find unique visuals for your projects, or just have some fun with AI-powered art. Now, if you're a content creator, you know that video is king. But creating engaging videos can be time-consuming and expensive. Well, not anymore, thanks to Pictory. This AI-powered video creation tool lets you turn your blog posts, scripts, or even just ideas into stunning videos in minutes. It's perfect for YouTubers, social media managers, or anyone who wants to create eye-catching video content without the hassle. Let's be honest, presentations can be a bit dull, but they don't have to be. Gamma is an AI-powered presentation tool that helps you create clean, modern, and engaging presentations with just a few clicks. Forget about spending hours messing around with slide layouts and fonts. Gamma takes care of all the design-heavy lifting. It's perfect for businesses, educators, or anyone who wants to make a lasting impression with their presentations. Okay, we've talked about writing assistants before, but Copy AI deserves a special shout-out. This tool is a lifesaver for marketers, copywriters, and anyone who needs to churn out compelling copy on a regular basis. Just tell Copy AI what you need, and it'll generate a bunch of different options for you to choose from. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your beck and call. Last but not least, we've got WiseCut, an AI-powered video editor that's perfect for anyone who wants to create professional-looking videos without the steep learning curve. WiseCut automatically takes care of those tedious editing tasks, like removing pauses, adding subtitles, and even syncing background music. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're a YouTuber, educator, or anyone who creates a lot of video content. Plus, WiseCut has a bunch of cool features, like automatic transcription and noise reduction that can really elevate your videos. So, there you have it, folks. 9 incredibly powerful and completely free AI tools that you can start using today to boost your productivity, creativity, and content game. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech tips and reviews. And let me know in the comments which of these AI tools you're most excited to try out. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.